year. So what are we waiting for? Ibigay na yan, best friend Jollibee. Hindi si Ma'am Jel, ikaw talaga. Now it's on you, Jollibee lang! Palakpakan si best friend Jollibee. Okay, now, Jolly Kids, take a seat down muna tayo. Don't worry, mamaya meron tayong time para magkaroon ng solo picture together with best friend, Jollibee. Once again, to all mommies and daddies, kindly assist po muna natin yung mga kids dahil limited lang po ang nakikita ni best friend Jollibee. Thank you! Siyempre, hindi lang yung mommy and daddy lang nag-ready na ng birthday wish si best friend Jollibee para kay DJ. So, Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang wala ka naman pang 5. Hindi, wala ka sir ng 5. 5. Okay, you have 4 wishes. Nasa ito yung pang 5, sabi ni sir. Okay. Yeah, like you, Jollibee, your first wish. Jollibee wants Niji to grow up and be hindi sakitin and always strong and healthy like him. Deserve! Kaya talagang Jollibee na sinisita tinituro mo. At here, second wish, Jollibee wants Niji to grow up and be hindi matigas ang ulo like ni Daddy. Ako tinaturo si Kuya Niji, Daddy. Okay, and your third wish, Jollibee wants EJ tuloy kasi si Abby already. Okay, one more time. Jollibee wants Niji to grow up and be a... What, Jollibee? Jollibee, huwag kang takutin. And be a what? At maging madasalin at may pananalig sa Diyos. Jollibee, wala ng holy water dyan. May holy water ba dyan? Okay, Jollibee, your last wish. Jollibee wants Niji to grow up and be a always be happy like the best friend Jollibee at nating lahat. Alam pa ba natin si best friend Jollibee at syempre mommy and daddy? Hindi lang yan dahil nag-ready rin si best friend Jollibee ng special dance number for us. Siyempre, bago po nakita ni best friend Jollibee ang kanyang inandang special dance number, gusto niya na ang cheer siya. Kaya naman, everybody say go! Jollibee go! Go! Jollibee go! Siyempre gusto ni best friend Jollibee mas mataas na energy. Everybody say go! Jollibee go! Go! Jollibee go! Hina, parang hindi ko malit. Okay, yung pinakamalakas. Everybody say go! Jollibee go! Go! Jollibee go! Ako, may mas lalakas pa dyan. Okay, everybody say go! Jollibee go! Go! Jollibee go! Once again, ang bida ng saya, ang best friend ng lahat. Best friend Jollibee, the floor is yours.